Today we have coupon for 20% off and $3 off any Carvel cake. We're going to say that photo book is 10% off if you don't want it. The 20% off as fx, or f of x, is equal to 0.8x. And x is going to equal the total cost. Or, in our case, the starting cost, because we're going to be deducting money off of it. And the reason we're doing 0.8 and not, say, 0.2 is because 0.8 is out of a whole, it's only 20% off of 1. So 0.2 is basically 20% off of 1. The next function that we have to do is the $3 off. So we're going to represent that as hx. And that's going to equal x minus 3. The reason is this is the total cost minus the $3 that you're saving. Okay, and lastly we have the 10% off for the photo book, and that we're going to represent that as C for cake of x equals 0.9x. After discounts. And let's say the cake costs, it's going to be an expensive cake since it's Carvel, so it's going to be $50. So the cake, so x equals $50. And let's write this out. So h of x is minus 3. So since we're doing subtraction, it's going to go to the end, since we're doing that last. Then we need the f of x function, which is 0.8 times x. So 0.8 times 50. Close that. And then we have to multiply by 0.9. It should look like this. And then this shouldn't have parentheses. It should just say times. .72x minus 2.16 is the simplest version of this function. Okay, so here I have the numbers plugged in, 0.72 times 50 minus 2.16. We're going to bring it down. So the total cost is going to be $33.84. C of h of x, C of h of f of x, and that equals $33.30. And we've also completed C of f of h of x, and that equals $33.84. The next function I'm going to do is h of c of f of x, and I will quickly write it out for you. The function h of c of f of x is equal to $33.00. Okay, so the next function, h of f of c of x. $33.00. Which we have seen before. Okay, the second to last one we're going to be dealing with is f of h of c of x minus 3. And then the last one we have to do is the f, which is 0.8. 0.9 times 50 minus 3 times 0.8. 45 minus 3, 42 times 0.8, which is $33.60. The last function we have to discuss is f of c of h of x. As you can see above, I plugged in the numbers for the functions and I simplified it as much as possible, and then I plugged in the value for x, which was 50. And that is the last function that we had to do. So these two examples right here are going to save you the most money because you're taking off the percentage before you're subtracting. Consumers want percentage off first, businesses want to go with the dollar amount off first. So consumer, business.